Solve equations chapter 4, questions 1 to 15 for class 9th and 10th. The equations 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, 4x plus y is equal to 9. Let us suppose 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, equation 1, and 4x plus y is equal to 9, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3, so as making the coefficients of x in both equations equal. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 is multiplied by 4, and 4x plus y is equal to 9 is multiplied by 3. 12x plus 16y is equal to 40, and 12x plus 3y is equal to 27. By subtracting 12x and 12x cut, and 13y is equal to 13, or y is equal to 13 by 13 is equal to 1. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, or 3x plus 4 into 1 is equal to 10, or 3x plus 4 is equal to 10, or 3x is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, or x is equal to 6 by 3. Cut 6 by 3, 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Answer. 2. Solve the equations. X plus 2y is equal to 13 and 3x plus y is equal to 14. Let us suppose x plus 2y is equal to 13, equation 1, and 3x plus y is equal to 14, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1 for equal coefficient of x in both equations. X plus 2y is equal to 13 multiplied by 3, and 3x plus y is equal to 14 multiplied by 1. 3x plus 6y is equal to 39, and 3x plus y is equal to 14. By subtracting, cut 3x and 3x, and 5y is equal to 25, or y is equal to 25 by 5, cut 25 by 5 is equal to 5. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. X plus 2y is equal to 13, or x plus 2 into 5 is equal to 13, or x plus 10 is equal to 13, or x is equal to 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Answer. 3. Solve the equations. 4x plus 7y is equal to 29, and x plus 3y is equal to 11. Let us suppose 4x plus 7y is equal to 29, equation 1, and x plus 3y is equal to 11, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 4 for equal coefficient of x. 4x plus 7y is equal to 29 multiplied by 1, and x plus 3y is equal to 11 multiplied by 4. So 4x plus 7y is equal to 29, and 4x plus 12y is equal to 44. By subtracting, cut 4x to 4x, and minus 5y is equal to minus 15, minus plus, or y is equal to 15 by 5, cut 15 by 5, 3. Now putting the value of y in equation first, we find the value of x. 4x plus 7y is equal to 29, 4x plus 7 into 3 is equal to 29, or 4x plus 21 is equal to 29, or 4x is equal to 29 minus 21 is equal to 8, or x is equal to 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Answer. 4. Solve the equations. 2x minus y is equal to 9, and 3x minus 7y is equal to 19. Let us suppose 2x minus y is equal to 9, equation 1, and 3x minus 7y is equal to 19, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2 for equal coefficient of x. 2x minus y is equal to 9 multiplied by 3, and 3x minus 7y is equal to 19 multiplied by 2. 6x minus 3y is equal to 27, and 6x minus 14y is equal to 38. By subtracting, cut 6x and 6x, so 11y is equal to minus 11, or y is equal to minus 11 by 11, is equal to minus 1. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 2x minus y is equal to 9. 2x minus bracket minus 1 is equal to 9, or 2x minus plus 1 is equal to 9, or 2x is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, or x is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. Answer. 5. Solve the equations 5x plus 6y is equal to 17 and 6x plus 5y is equal to 16. Let us suppose 5x plus 6y is equal to 17, equation 1, and 6x plus 5y is equal to 16, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 6 and equation 2 by 5 for equal coefficients of x. So 5x plus 6y is equal to 17 multiplied by 6, and 6x plus 5y is equal to 16 multiplied by 5. 30x plus 36 is equal to 102, and 30x plus 25y is equal to 80. By subtracting 11y is equal to 22, or y is equal to 22 by 11 is equal to 2. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 5x plus 6y is equal to 17. 5x plus 6 into 2 is equal to 17, or 5x plus 12 is equal to 17, or 5x is equal to 17 minus 12 is equal to 5, or x is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Answer. 6. Solve the equations 2x plus y is equal to 10 and 7x plus 8y is equal to 53. Let us suppose 2x plus y is equal to 10, equation 1, and 7x plus 8y is equal to 53, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2 for equal coefficients of x in both equations. So 2x plus y is equal to 10 multiplied by 7, and 7x plus 8y is equal to 53 multiplied by 2. 14x plus 7y is equal to 70, and 14x plus 16y is equal to 106. By subtracting minus 9y is equal to minus 36, minus plus y is equal to 36 by 9 is equal to 4. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 2x plus y is equal to 10. 2x plus 4 is equal to 10, or 2x is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Our x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Answer. 7. Solve the equations 8x minus y is equal to 34 and x plus 8y is equal to 53. Let us suppose 8x minus y is equal to 34, equation 1, and x plus 8y is equal to 53, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 8 for equal coefficient of x. So 8x minus y is equal to 34 multiplied by 1, and x plus 8y is equal to 53 multiplied by 8. 8x minus y is equal to 34, and 8x plus 64y is equal to 424. By subtracting 65y is equal to 390, or y is equal to 390 by 65 is equal to 6. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 8x minus y is equal to 34, or 8x minus 6 is equal to 34, or 8x is equal to 34 plus 6 is equal to 40, or x is equal to 40 by 8 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. Answer. 8. Solve the equations 15x plus 7y is equal to 29 and 9x plus 15y is equal to 39. Let us suppose 15x plus 7y is equal to 29, equation 1, and 9x plus 15y is equal to 39, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 5 for equal coefficient of x. 15x plus 7y is equal to 29 multiplied by 3. 9x plus 15y is equal to 39 multiplied by 5. So 45x plus 21y is equal to 87. and 45x plus 75y is equal to 195. By subtracting 54y is equal to 108, or y is equal to 108 by 54 is equal to 2. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. So 15x plus 7y is equal to 29, or 15x plus 7 into 2 is equal to 29, or 15x plus 14 is equal to 29, or 15x is equal to 29 minus 14 is equal to 15, or x is equal to 15 by 15 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Answer 9. Solve the equations. 14x minus 3y is equal to 39 and 6x plus 17y is equal to 35. Let us suppose 14x minus 3y is equal to 39, equation 1, and 6x plus 17y is equal to 35, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 7 for equal coefficient of x. 14x minus 3y is equal to 39 multiplied by 3. 6x plus 17y is equal to 35 multiplied by 7. 42x minus 9y is equal to 117, and 42x plus 119y is equal to 245. By subtracting 128y is equal to 128, or y is equal to 128 by 128 is equal to 1. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 14x minus 3y is equal to 39, or 14x minus 3 into 1 is equal to 39, or 14x minus 3 is equal to 39, or 14x is equal to 39 plus 3 is equal to 42, or x is equal to 42 by 14 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Answer 10. Solve the equations. 28x minus 23y is equal to 33, and 63x minus 25y is equal to 101. Let us suppose 28x minus 23y is equal to 33, equation 1, and 63x minus 25y is equal to 101, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 9 and equation 2 by 4 for equal coefficient of x. 28x minus 23y is equal to 33 multiplied by 9, and 63x minus 25y is equal to 101 multiplied by 4. So 252x minus 207y is equal to 297, and 252x minus 100y is equal to 404. By subtracting 107y is equal to 107, or y is equal to 107 by 107 is equal to 1. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 28x minus 23y is equal to 33, or 28x minus 23 into 1 is equal to 33, or 28x minus 23 is equal to 33, or 28x is equal to 33 plus 23 is equal to 56, or x is equal to 56 by 28 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Answer 11. Solve the equations. 35x plus 17y is equal to 86, and 56x minus 13y is equal to 17. Let us suppose 35x plus 17y is equal to 86, equation 1, and 56x minus 13y is equal to 17, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 8 and equation 2 by 5 for equal coefficient of x. 35x plus 17y is equal to 86 multiplied by 8, and 56x minus 13y is equal to 17 multiplied by 5. 280x plus 136y is equal to 688, and 280x minus 65y is equal to 85. By subtracting 201y is equal to 603, or y is equal to 603 by 201 is equal to 3. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 35x plus 17y is equal to 86, or 35x plus 17 into 3 is equal to 86, or 35x plus 51 is equal to 86, or 35x is equal to 86 minus 51 is equal to 35, or x is equal to 35 by 35 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Answer 12. Solve the equations. 15x plus 77y is equal to 92, and 55x minus 33y is equal to 22. Let us suppose 15x plus 77y is equal to 92, equation 1, and 55x minus 33y is equal to 22, equation 2. To To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 11 and equation 2 by 3 for equal coefficients of x. 15x plus 77y is equal to 92 multiplied by 11 and 55x minus 33y is equal to 22 multiplied by 3. 165x plus 847y is equal to 1012 and 165x minus 99y is equal to 66. By subtracting 946y is equal to 946 or y is equal to 946 by 946 is equal to 1. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 15x plus 77y is equal to 92 or 15x plus 77 into 1 is equal to 92 or 15x plus 77 is equal to 92 or 15x is equal to 92 minus 77 is equal to 15 or x is equal to 15 by 15 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 answer. 13. Solve the equations. 5x minus 7y is equal to 0 and 7x plus 5y is equal to 74. Let us suppose 5x minus 7y is equal to 0 equation 1 and 7x plus 5y is equal to 74 equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 5 for equal coefficients of x. So 5x minus 7y is equal to 0 multiplied by 7 and 7x plus 5y is equal to 74 multiplied by 5. 35x minus 49y is equal to 0 and 35x plus 25y is equal to 370. By subtracting minus 74y is equal to minus 370 minus plus or y is equal to 370 by 74 is equal to 5. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 5x minus 7y is equal to 0 or 5x minus 7 into 5 is equal to 0 or 5x minus 35 is equal to 0 or 5x is equal to 35 or x is equal to 35 by 5 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 5 answer. 14. Solve the equations. 21x minus 50y is equal to 60 and 28x minus 27y is equal to 199. Let us suppose 21x minus 50y is equal to 60 equation 1 and 28x minus 27y is equal to 199 equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3 for equal coefficient of x. So 21x minus 50y is equal to 60 multiplied by 4 and 28x minus 27y is equal to 199 multiplied by 3. So 84x minus 200y is equal to 240 and 84x minus 81y is equal to 597. By subtracting 119y is equal to 357 or y is equal to 357 by 119 is equal to 3. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 21x minus 50y is equal to 60 or 21x minus 15 to 3 is equal to 60 or 21x minus 150 is equal to 60 or 21x is equal to 60 plus 150 is equal to 210 or x is equal to 210 by 21 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 3 answer. 15. Solve the equations. 39x minus 8y is equal to 99 and 52x minus 15y is equal to 80. Let us suppose 39x minus 8y is equal to 99 and 52x minus 15y is equal to 80. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3 for equal coefficients of x. 39x minus 8y is equal to 99 multiplied by 4 and 52x minus 15y is equal to 80 multiplied by 3. 156x minus 32y is equal to 396 and 156x minus 45y is equal to 240. By subtracting 13y is equal to 156 or y is equal to 156 by 13 is equal to 12. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 39x minus 8y is equal to 99. 39x minus 8 into 12 is equal to 99. Or 39x minus 96 is equal to 99. Or 39x is equal to 99 plus 96 is equal to 195. Or x is equal to 195 by 39 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 12 answer.